Sanbonani, good morning. Is it still morning? Good day, good whatever it is. Sanbonani. I know I look much better than I did the last time when I did this video that got everybody talking. Ngiyavuka namhlanje ke ngiyanibingelela. Nginibingelela nje ngiyaphila niyabona ngiyaphila. I'm refreshed from the person that I was the last time when I had taken my relaxation pills. Just before I took a nap, I decided to motivate. Ngeke ngiphinde ngimotivate abantu sengizolala. Manje u-internet wonke uthi mina I am quitting acting. I am quitting acting. Ngike ngakusho nini lokho? Ake niyekeni ukuqala lezi zinto zenu, those YouTube channels, those websites la inqamba manga khona ngabantu. Can you stop the lies? If you want news from people, get proper facts from abantu. I did tell everyone that had been phoning me asking me about the video, Nguti, it is important to be honest and to say you are tired. Just now singakuboni usowucollapse singazucollapsiswe yini ngoba usitshelanga ukuthi ukhathele, awusitshelanga ukuthi you are emotionally drained and tired, so you need to take time out, ulale, uphuze amaphilisi okulala mhlawumbe noma uphuze into ezokurelaxisa ulale. These things that are on the internet about me, ukuthi I'm quitting acting, I'm tired, ayikho yonke leyo leyo. Ake niyekeni ukukholwa noma yini nani, ningakholwa into entsha, yazi nje. Ake niyekeni indaba uthi we awuthi ngibona ukuthi uthini imake ngifuna ukubona umanzi phindile we social media angizayithatha serious ngoba izokufaka emqomeni, uzodlulalela lokhu kuphinde kube lokhu. The video, if you go to the video and you listen to it, actually into engiyithanda about the video is the fact that it helped a lot of people. And what I say in the video is the fact that I was emotionally drained, emotionally tired. And mentally, that causes you to ungabi functional, ungabi fully functional. That's what I was saying. And then abantu bayasuka emva kwalokho babhala umathanda wabo bathi mina I'm quitting acting, instead of listening to the message that was in the video. Evidweni ngithi I am emotionally drained and tired because I've just gone through a lot. I've just gone through a lot, and I don't have to share what it is that I've gone through in my life. Kuyakhathalwa phandle, guys. I even said people in the entertainment space are human too. They also get tired. We get emotionally drained. We get depressed. We get emotionally drained. We are human beings. We go through these things that other people go through. You know, and I said that is why there is sometimes someone has committed suicide. It's because everything say solution. And I said in the video, ask for help when you can see what you need help, when you can feel you cannot do things on your own. There was never a time where I said I'm quitting acting. Ngathi sengiyalala after I did the video, and I was trying to help people, abantu who don't believe in psychologists, who don't believe in therapy, who don't believe in talking about their problems. And I was speaking against lento yokuthi mental health illness kuyahlanya nje ngesizulu kuyahlanya mamakhonto wrong la engqondweni. There's no akho ukuthi umuntu une depression, umuntu une depression isifo sabelungu. Ayikho leyo nto leyo i-depression akusisipho sabelungu, because these are the very same things that it create or high blood pressure, it create strokes, hypertension, and all these things, and stress, high stress levels, and all of these things combined zizokwenza stroke. Mina I was speaking for abantu ukuthi babe aware ukuthi musukhathele phumula. I never said I'm quitting acting. Quitting acting kwakwabani. Yekani guys ukubhala uqala ama YouTube channels niqale ama yini lezi zinto eniqalayo, whatever pages that you start, and you just start writing about people's lives eningabazi aningazi akekho umuntu ongaziyo obhale le nto le akangazi. People that have phoned me, I have spoken to them and I have told them what the video was about. Ngikhathele emotionally and ngikhathele ngomzimba kuyakhathalwa. And I even said this COVID-19 pandemic has made us overthink things, and to such an extent that we panic all the time, to an extent ukuthi uhlale ungazi noma usunayo noma awunayo COVID. That's tiring, and it gets your mind tired, and it gets you emotionally tired. Lalelani qala before ngigijime number niyobhala izinto in your websites and you spread lies about people. And these lies that they spread about us, some people believe them and read them, then they believe them. I'm glad there's some people who don't believe the things that they read on social media, because you just run and you write stuff about people. Anisazi msanukubhala izinto ngathi ningasazi. I'm not quitting acting, guys. I will never quit acting. Quitting is my passion. Not quitting is my passion. Acting is my passion. I will never quit acting. Uma sengizizwa ukuthi ngiright, ngizobuyela phambi kwecamera ngiyo-acta phambi kwecamera. Ngesikhathi esengiright ngaso. I will not be bullied by people abazokhuluma izinto ezingekho ngami. I'm quitting acting. And I will not be bullied to talk about izinto that I don't want to talk about. When I say I'm tired, I mean I'm tired. Ungagubhi ukuthi why am I tired? Angaze nami ngifuna ukwazi ukhathazwe yini emqondweni emoyeni nasenhlizweni yakho. So please stop. Please stop writing things that don't exist about us. Mike, I'm not going to say us because I'm Mike. Ngicela ngayibhala izinto ezingekho. Uma ngabe ngingayisho into ayikho, angizange ngisho mina ukuthi ngiyakuyeka uku-acta, angikaze ngikukusho lokho. Ngathi wonke umuntu uyakhathala, wonke umuntu needs time out. And when you feel you're tired, do say ukhathele. Learn to listen. When people speak, learn to listen. That's why ngiqamba ngamanga amangaka yonke into ebhalwayo iyamanga most of the time on these social media platforms, on these YouTube channels about people, because ngivele nibhale ngoba niyazi nini about people. We are humans. I'm saying this again. The people in the entertainment space are humans too. We have lives too, just like your lives. It's just that umsebenzi wethu uku-entertain abantu. Unfortunately, umsebenzi wethu wenza ukuthi saziwe abantu, senza ukuthi even if I feel like being friendly ngoba kukhona into that you're going through, you've lost your mom, you've lost your dad, you've lost someone, you have to be friendly to people when you go out there and smile. But you don't feel like that ngaphakathi. Oh, you're drained. You're just drained. Yekani ukukhuluma into engekho, guys. Yekani ukubhala into engekho in these social media platforms, in these YouTube channels, these websites. Then if engazazi nokuzathi ezaphi, bese I'm quitting acting. Quitting acting. Me. Ngike ngakusho nini lokho? Ngizobopha abantu gospel. I'm going to start suing people. I'm going to find out who this is. Ngizoba sue gospel. Shembe buka ngizonisuwa. Goba, I don't want you to lie. Ninamanga. Namanga. There's headlines now. My friends are all worried. Why am I quitting acting? Ngiyavuka sengquitting acting. Guys, kahleni. Asingayifuni attention ngamagama abanye abantu. Create, just be a novel writer. Write novels and create fictional stories, but don't write things that are not there about people, real life people. Please, ngiyacela mina hlukana nokubhala into engekho igama lami. Uma mina ngifuna into yaziwe ngizosho on this platform, which is my platform, which is my social media platform, and people know that when I speak on this platform, I speak something eyakhayo, I speak something evusayo umuntu, and the video, funny enough, helped a lot of people. Funny enough. But khona ke lo obona uhlakaniphile ugijima uzozomfishana oyobhala ukuthi Don Thandeka King, futhi nakhona uyabheda Thandeka Don King, igama lami mina ngu Don Thandeka King. Yapeta futhi ubhala ukuthi I'm quitting acting. Please stop. Stop lying. Stop lying. Please. Have a beautiful day, all people, beautiful people that have tuned in. Ngiyanithanda akhothandeka la wayeka uku-actor asoze ke ngayenza ke leyo yabona ke angeke mina ngiyeke i-corporate ngiyekele ngiquithe i-corporate to come and quit acting. I'll never do that. La ngikhanda ngiyaphila la ekhanda lami abogogo bami bangivumela ukuthi ngi-act. Bye my loves. Ngiyanithanda nonke. Have a beautiful day and remember, take care. Uthi Nondulo, calm down. Ngiyaxolisa guys, it's just that pissed me off ukuthi ngizoqhamuka sekukhulunywa nje into engekho ngami ayikho. I'm not quitting acting. Hayi yebo. Hey guys ngeke. All right, ngiyanithanda. Bye. Ngiyanithanda Dr. Colin Sibase. Alright guys, bye bye. Ngiyathanda nje ukuthi niyayazi leyo ukuthi ayikho mina into engiyithandayo. Bye. Have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful weekend. And niyangibona, I feel much better than I did the other day. I'm in good spirits. Ukuthi nje, you know, faneke siqhubeke nempilo. Siyeke abantu, siyeke ukubanaka. I love you all. Goodbye.